Today we are going to discuss a sum from exponents and power. See, the question given to us is this. Now, first step is find the common factors in both numerator as well as denominator. So, see, we know one thing that first 5n 5 to the power n plus 1, it actually means that 5 to the power n into 5 to the power 2. Because when the base is the same and the powers are different, that is when the powers are added. So this actually means, and similarly, when we come across this over here, it also means that 5 to the power n into 5 to the power 1. Similarly, 5 to the power n plus 1, it means 5 to the power n into 5 to the power 1. That's it. So all the derivations we have written. After this, we have to take a common number from each of this. So see, from this expression, replace this by this, and this by this, and this by this. If we do it, what we get is, replacing it, we will get 5 to the power n into 5 to the power 2 plus minus 6 into, again, 5 to the power n into 5 to the power 1. Similarly, in the denominator, 13 into 5 to the power n minus 2 into, replace this by this. So we get 5 to the power n into 5 to the power 1. Once that is done, we will find the common factor from each of this number. Over here, if we take 5 to the power n common, then what are we left with? 5 to the power n, take it as common. In this expression, we are left with this 5 square because 5 to the power n is already written over here. So therefore, we will write 5 to the power n. We will take this as common. So we are left with 5 square here. Then minus, we are left with 6 here. Again, 5 to the power n is over here. So we are left with only 5 to the power 1. So we are going to write it after this. Into 5 to the power 1. After finding all the commons, numerator is done. Let's go for the denominator. Again, we will take 5 to the power n as common. So first, we will take 5 to the power n as common. So in the first case, we are left with 13 here. So we are going to write 13 here. Minus 2. So minus 2. And again, 5 to the power n we have already taken as common. So we are left with only one thing, that is 5 to the power 1. So basically, we can say that we have taken 5 to the power n common as both from numerator as well as denominator. Now cancel it out. We can cancel it out. So we are left with 5 square minus 6. Anything to the power 1 is itself. So 5. 13 minus 2. Anything to the power 1 is the number itself. So 5. Now 5 square can be written as 25. Therefore, we can say 25 minus 6 into 5. Bodmer's rule. So we will multiply first. In that case, 25 minus 6 into 5 is 30. Divided by 13 minus 2 into 5, that is 10. So 25 minus 30 is minus 5. By 13 minus 10 is only 3. So answer will be 5 to the power 3.